Team, let's get you another check of our 10 weather impact for today. I know personally my kid's soccer practice was rescheduled tonight because of the heat too. So we know there's a lot of football practices and soccer practices after school, a lot of extracurriculars. You want to be careful with this heat later.
Definitely for any kids after school doing anything like that. But by the time that OSU kicks off on Saturday, that game should be cooler.
Okay.
All right, and that's a big one because you have tens of thousands, kind of like 100,000 people going there. So you definitely want the cooler weather, and it should be much cooler by then. What is causing this late summer heat wave? Well, this is caused by what we call a heat dome. And so essentially what that is basically a big ridge of high pressure. With high pressure in the atmosphere, you got sinking air. It's like putting a lid on the atmosphere. Like if you put a lid on a boiling pot, it prevents that air from really moving. And so it makes the surface of the earth very hot. It can also diminish air quality. Why is that? You're not getting ventilation. So that can keep things very hot and can keep things smoggy down by the ground. And we will be looking at some possible air quality issues later on this week. Okay, so here's that heat dome. You can see that big H on the map, the red representing the heat accompanied with that. The good news though, today and tomorrow will be the worst days because as we go through Thursday and Friday, look what happens. Look at the big H on the map. It goes off to the southwest, and with that, will gradually start cooling us down as we head towards the later half of the week. So that is the good news here. The bad news is that we still got to put up with it for a couple more days. 98 today, 97 tomorrow. Finally, by Saturday, it's still hot, but 87. We'll take that over 100 degrees any day of the week. Okay, the humidity, very bad today. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, around 70. But then look at this, by Sunday, you're going to walk outside on Sunday and it's going to feel like heaven because the humidity is going to be so much lower towards Sunday going into Monday and Tuesday of next week. Nothing happening out there right now. There's that heat dome. And look at this right here, though. On the northern periphery of that heat dome, what do you get? Severe weather. You get showers and you get thunderstorms. Well, here's the interesting thing. As that ridge shifts off to the south, these storms that we see up to the north will be pushing into central Ohio. Not today, but I'm thinking possibly for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You can see it right here. As that ridge shifts off to the south, by tomorrow, we're getting a few showers and storms, and that risk will continue going into Thursday, possibly going into Friday as well. And then as we head towards Saturday, you'll notice that we'll have more clouds and possibly a few showers around game time going into later in the day on Saturday. Today, though, really nothing's happening out there. Just some high thin clouds here and there. As we head towards tonight, things clear on up. Tonight will be pretty uneventful. And then tomorrow, look at this, a few showers and thunderstorms. Here's Cambridge, Zanesville, Caldwell. You guys may get in on the action a little bit. And then tomorrow afternoon, we might have a secondary round of showers. This go around late in the afternoon. You can see some of the green speckles showing up on the map, representing some of those possible showers later on in the day tomorrow. 7-day forecast, here we go. Ohio State here on Saturday, and here's a look at that kickoff forecast. Partly to mostly cloudy, so it's not going to be a big, bright, sunny day, which probably will actually do you good if you're going to be in those stands out there. By 7 p.m., though, we're back down to about 85 degrees. Sunday and Monday going middle 80s, and then relief on Monday, dropping down to about 78, cooler and much less humid as we kick off another work and school week. Looks like Sunday will be the pick of the weekend.